Frankfurt is a dynamic city that beautifully blends history with modernity. Known as Germany's financial hub, it is home to striking skyscrapers like the main tower and the European Central Bank. Märchenbrunnen, the enchanting fairy tale fountain. Built in 1910, this whimsical landmark features sculptures inspired by Grimm's fairy tales. The ECB Tower is the modern face of Frankfurt. Standing tall at 185 meters, this glass skyscraper is the headquarters of the European Central Bank. It symbolizes Frankfurt's role as the financial capital of Europe. At the heart of Frankfurt lies Römerberg, the historic square lined with half-timbered houses. The Römer, Frankfurt's town hall since the 15th century, dominates the square. This vibrant plaza has witnessed markets, festivals, and pivotal moments in the city's history. Frankfurt Cathedral. Kaiserdom St. Bartholomäus. The Kaiserdom or St. Bartholomew's Cathedral is steeped in history. This Gothic masterpiece was the site of coronations for Holy Roman emperors. Its towering spire and intricate stained glass windows tell stories of faith, resilience, and centuries of European heritage. Crossing the River Main, we arrive at Alte, the old bridge. First built in the 13th century, it has been rebuilt several times due to floods and wars. Today, it stands as a reminder of Frankfurt's resilience and its vital connection across the river. From the main tower, one of Frankfurt's tallest buildings, the city unfolds beneath us. At 200 meters high, the observation deck offers panoramic views of the Skyline, the River Main, and even glimpses of the Taunus Mountains on clear days. It's the perfect spot to appreciate Frankfurt's mix of tradition and modernity. The River Main flows gracefully through the city, lined with green spaces like Nizza Park and crossed by iconic bridges such as the Alte and Eiserner Steg. Frankfurt offers a rich tapestry of tradition, innovation, and natural beauty. Along the River Main, Nizza Park offers a Mediterranean escape. With palm trees, exotic plants, and riverside pathways, it's a tranquil retreat where locals stroll, jog, or simply relax by the water. A slice of southern Europe in the middle of Germany. The Eiserner Steg is a pedestrian bridge beloved by locals and tourists. Since 1869, it has linked the city center with Sachsenhausen. Covered in love locks and offering stunning river views, it's both a romantic landmark and a practical crossing.